something up. Better fucking something. I need some drink in my cup. Hey.
What is up, Christine crew? Welcome back to another video. And in today's video, we're going to be talking about bracelet businesses and what you need to do to start yours today. Okay, so this video is very highly requested from my Facebook group girls, so we are going to get into it. So let's hop right into the video. And we are in a new background, so as you guys can see, I'm recording while I'm at work. So we're gonna be getting to the bag. Okay, so let's get right on into it. So my first tip to start a bracelet business is figure out what you want to sell. So I'm advising ladies right now not to just focus on selling bracelets, but focus on selling jewelry. Okay, and what I mean by jewelry, that's earrings, bracelets, necklaces, rings. You have to expand because everyone does not wear bracelets, unfortunately. So you want to be able to still reach the target markets that you want to reach by making sure that you have other options for them to shop with. So look into selling some earrings, looking at selling some necklaces, rings, and etc. just besides bracelets. Tip 2, I want you all to adventure into using some pre-packaged jewelry. Now, that may sound weird coming from me because I was so stuck on and preaching to you all to make sure that you're making your jewelry from hand. In 2023, baby, ladies just want to look good. They want to be able to accessorize for an affordable price due to inflation. So in order to keep up and still make some coins while we're going through this inflation, I do advise that you all start adding prepackaged jewelry to your websites. Here at Christine Creations, we do offer those prepackaged jewelry sets for you all for affordable prices. So make sure you guys check those out. But even if you don't purchase from us, look into other wholesalers that you all can purchase prepackaged jewelry from Alibaba, things of that nature. But we here at Christine Creations, we have it to where you all are able to buy and list. So you can see if your crowd actually takes to it or not. So make sure you guys look into those options. And we do also take custom orders for that as well. But prepackaged jewelry is very inexpensive and you are able to sell it at a lower price and still walk away and make a profit. For example, last week we sold some earring sets. You got 3 pairs of wooden earrings for $5. We advise that you all sell that set together for between $10 and $15, right? So you will walk away with between a $5 and $10 profit just off those 3 pairs of earrings. Even if you want to sell them individually, you're still walking away with not even paying $1 and some change per item for you to upsell. Okay, so the goal of business is always to buy low so you can sell high. So a prepackaged jewelry right now, that is probably your best bet, is to buy low and sell high. Okay, so tip number 3, get on social media. Get out of I'm so scared, I don't want to go live, I don't want to do this. Get on live, sell these products. Okay, talk to these people, post. And what I mean by post on social media, I'm not saying post your products, I'm not saying just take a picture and post it. You all need to figure out ways to incorporate your products into everyday content. Do business vlogs, do day in the life of a business owner, do day in the life of a part-time entrepreneur and full-time 9 to 5. Come up with different things where you can entice your audience to want to look, learn, and also shop. So the thing about TikTok right now is it's all about lengthy, educational, or entertaining type content. So you need to make sure that your bracelets content or your jewelry content falls into those 3 categories. You can educate people on how to wear your jewelry properly. You can do care instructions, tell them how not to wash your jewelry, how not to take a shower, X, Y, and Z, how to style your jewelry. So always make sure when you are pumping out content on TikTok, on YouTube, on Instagram, that you're educating your audience on how to do so, whatever it may be. So you can do a how to style your jewelry video. You can do a how to properly clean your jewelry video, how to properly store. So continue to learn and show them different ways to use your jewelry. Also, another thing that is kind of popping right now as far as content is doing the reverse psychology. That is what I call it. It's basically when you tell your audience the most 3 things I hate buying from Black-owned businesses. okay? And those 3 things could be products from your business. So you want to make sure you begin a video with a hook. So if you don't know by now, negativity sells on all social media platforms, no matter which one you use. So you take a negative situation, you turn it positive by the time you get mid video towards the end of the video. If you all need an example of some reverse psychology content, let me know down in the comments, and we can do a whole video about that range of content that is popping right now, okay? So my last tip for anyone that wants to start a jewelry business is just do it. It's 2023. What do you have to lose? We spend money on everything else. Spend money to where you can make some money. And don't always be afraid and think that you have to go out and spend hundreds of dollars to start a business. You don't have to spend hundreds of dollars to start a business. You take an idea, you plan it out, you get it together, you set your budget, you stick on your budget and you stand on your budget, and you promote and market your items to the best of your ability. As you guys can see in this video, I always have on something Christine Creations, okay? So earrings, Christine Creations, bracelets, Christine Creations, necklaces, Christine Creations. So make sure you are always rocking your brand, okay? I don't care if you sell t-shirts, hoodies, Vaseline, body lotion, body care, perfume. Always have something on that represents your business, because the goal is always you have to be a walking billboard for your business, okay? So that is it that I have for this video for you guys. If you guys need more information, you want to go a little bit more in depth, let me know down in the comments if you guys like content like this. And we're going to end this video with the positive affirmation that I have here on my board for my students, okay? So we're going to do, my ability to learn is improving every day. Because your ability to learn is improving every day. You know why? Because you study social media, you look on YouTube, you're looking at this video right now. So your capability and your skill set to improve is already there. Just take what you learn and apply it to your business, and you will start to see a difference. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Join the Christine crew. Make sure you guys follow me here on all my social media platforms. And I will see you guys in my next video. But until then, Miss T is checking out.